This video is a complete guide for making Facebook posts and changing the voicemail to the new movie each week. Now to start, we're going to want to make the post on Facebook. Normally, I just scroll down and I'd click on the last post here, but for some reason that's not working. So I'm going to go to Content and see my last post. We'll click on this one here. And then we're going to want to go to Feed Preview. So this allows us to see what we typed last week. And we're just going to copy paste this. And we're going to go to Home, Create Post, and then we're going to paste this in. So now the things we need to change are the title, the viewer rating, the runtime, the dates, and then we need to add a picture. So first, let's change the title. We need to go to the Coliseum email and then go to the PDF for the delivery of the movie. So I'll click on the PDF for Hoppers. So this shows us the title, so we'll type that in. Okay. Hoppers, so the title is good. Now you can see the viewer rating, it's PG, so we can leave that the same. The runtime for this one, it's an hour 44. We'll leave out the seconds, so we just go to the Facebook, change the minutes to 44. And now we need to change the dates, so we need to change the month to, now the Friday will be March 6th. Saturday will be March 7th. And Sunday will be March 8th. And now we add the picture. So to do that, we'll just go to the PDF. We'll zoom in to make this easier on ourselves. And then we'll just take a screenshot of the image that was sent to us to the PDF and select the area for the poster. Okay. Once we have that, we'll go back to the Facebook post. We'll add the photo. So we'll go to Screenshots. Then add our most recent screenshot. And then we're good to go. We can publish this. Okay. And now we're going to change the voicemail, which will just use what we typed into the Facebook post, and we'll read that to the voicemail box to change it. So for us to be able to see it here, we just want to have it up and ready so that we can start recording our voicemail and change over and read this. So we need to log into WebEx and be on voicemail. And then we need to go to record new message. So you might be in like call settings up here. You'll just want to make sure you're in voicemail and then record message. So when you're ready, hit this record button and then we'll go over and read this. The Coliseum Theater is happy to present Hoppers, rated PG with a runtime of 1 hour and 44 minutes. Showtimes will be 7 p.m. on Friday, March 6th and Saturday, March 7th. On Sunday, March 8th, the showtime will be 3 p.m. And that's all you have to do. I don't think the file name really matters, but I go ahead and change it to the title of the movie and hit save. And now we're all done with that. So the only thing you'll need to be able to do before this is you need to get logged into the Facebook and logged into WebEx. I believe tech support at Graceland will help you get into these accounts. I'll put in a description where you need to go to get these set up. And then, of course, being logged into the Coliseum Gmail. And then to make it easy for yourself, since you'll be doing this every week, make a shortcut for your favorites bar. So all you have to do is open a new tab and click Facebook. It'll load your Facebook. Same thing with WebEx and the Gmail, just to make life easier. This is what it will look like when you're done. It looks better in people's feed than it does when you're viewing it on your own account. And while I put the same thing each week and just change a couple parts, if you want, you can change this to be something different. For example, when we did a re-release for How the Grinch Stole Christmas, I typed a different message than normal, but I just use this each time because it's consistent.